Okay guys, I am on my way to meet up with Richard in Toronto. It is pouring with rain. I stopped for a Starbucks because I needed the caffeine, and the treat was, you know, special treat. So I got myself an oat.
Turn left, then take a slight right turn.
Oat brown sugar Americano. So that should, 3 pumps of caffeine should get me going into the city. It's pouring rain here, guys, so I'm not going to vlog on the way in, but Richard and I will try and vlog when we get there. So it's, yeah, I still have another hour to drive, and yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to see Richard and spend the day with him and go for lunch and just have a great day. See you soon.
So hey everybody, here we go. I'm back home again. We didn't vlog. We were way too busy and overwhelmed by the amount of fragrances in this place. It was packed. They were lined up. We were pretty good. We got in right away, but when we were leaving, the lineups were right around the block. It was crazy busy. Prices were good, but some of the things we noticed the prices had gone up a little bit, but you know, that's inflation for you. They sold, oh, they had everything. They had sheets, they had cosmetics, you know, makeup, skincare, you name it, they had it. They had toys, they had, like, it was just absolutely the most amazing. My first time ever to go to a fragrance outlet like this. Oh yeah, and they had these little Kinder calendars. So I picked one of those up for Nora. They were like $2.99. Tons of stocking stuffers. I picked her up little bits and pieces of stocking stuffers, like you do. Yeah, it was, you know, it was packed, but everybody was very well behaved. There was lots of security. I did wear my mask because it's just too many people, and I just felt, you know, with me being so sick lately, I really have to be careful. I just can't get sick again. I'm just over it. I was pretty good about buying perfumes. I did buy a couple. I mean, I could have went nuts. There were fragrances there. I could have spent hundreds of dollars. I literally could have. I mean, it was just, it blew my mind, but I got to smell lots and lots of fragrances that I haven't smelt before. So, you know, that was nice. Richard had a great time. He got a couple of things as well. And as I say, you know, prices were very good. I mean, compared to, you know, anywhere else, this is the cheapest place in Toronto for good deals. My haute couture had gone up from $49 when I bought a few backups last year, and it had gone up to $60. So a little bummed about that, but that's still a lot cheaper than if you buy it in Sephora or Shoppers Drug Mart. It's still over $100. So I bought one as a backup because I was completely out of backups. And I bought one other thing, which, you know, when I do a little bit of an unboxing, I will do that. Richard and I then went for lunch. We just talked and talked and talked, and we did not have time to vlog. We were just way too busy. So I hope you enjoy the little bit that we did get done, and we just had such a great time, and I just love him so much. This was $25 last time I bought a private show. It was $12 for this set. So that was pretty crazy. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.